guys, it's Marie with WTI. I'm just sitting here chilling on my daughter's beanbag cover, and I just love this.
First off, the bag unzips really easily. As you can see, it holds a lot of stuffed animals, big and small. You can always take away or add to it if your child is looking for one or wants to switch them out. Zip it back up, shake it so it's nice and even. It even has a fun handle, and then you can just flop down and relax. What a fun, cool pattern. I just love dinosaurs, and so do my kids. I know a lot of kids love dinosaurs. This print could be for a girl's room or a boy's room. This room right now we're in is my daughter's, and she loves it.
So if your kid has a lot of stuffed animals or soft toys, this is definitely the perfect place to store them and then still have somewhere to sit. Also, if you have an old beanbag chair and the cover's all messed up or the outside doesn't look that great, grab one of these. You could just put it in there, zip it up, and it is perfect. But that's just my point of view.